SolidWorks is a great tool. It lets you quickly and easily design and test your ideas without the need for laborious and costly prototyping. But what happens if you have a question? You could yell at the guy down the hall. You could call or email others, but who do you know that may have answers? And how do you know those are the right answers? And while you wait, sort through the emails and try to determine the right answer, your deadline is fast approaching. You can access resources through the internet, but that can require multiple sites and logins, and again, more time. This is overwhelming. You need a quicker and easier way to find answers.
Stay current on product releases and developments.
Share SolidWorks tips, tricks, news, and updates with your team, all while under pressure to create better designs faster. What is a busy SolidWorks designer to do? Enter MySolidWorks.
MySolidWorks is your place for all things SolidWorks. At my.solidworks.com, you can access SolidWorks online learning content, online manuals, find answers to your questions quickly and easily across the entire SolidWorks community, search for 3D models, showcase your SolidWorks expertise, and share what you've discovered with your team, including helpful tips from the SolidWorks worldwide community. With MySolidWorks at your fingertips, you'll create better designs faster. Get more from SolidWorks. Go to my.solidworks.com, create a free account, or use your existing SolidWorks customer portal or forums account to log in, and tap into the best SolidWorks resource available. MySolidWorks, the one place to get answers, learn more, be current, and share and showcase everything SolidWorks.